Hi and welcome to the section 1 of this course. Let's get started and explore the world of NFTs. So, first things first, what is meant by NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. An NFT is a digital asset that binds ownership to unique physical or digital assets such as a piece of art, real estate, music, or movies. At its most basic level, any digital asset, a video, clip, tweet, or digital image can have an NFT, which serves as an electronic identification that verifies ownership. The blockchain is the secure digital ledger where these ownership certificates are recorded. NFTs are regarded collectibles in today's world. They are bought and sold over the internet and serve as a digital evidence of ownership for every specific object. NFTs are securely recorded on a blockchain, the same technology that underpins cryptocurrencies, ensuring that each asset is unique. The following are the most notable characteristics. Uniqueness. Non-fungible tokens have information in their code that defines the characteristics that distinguishes them from other tokens. A piece of digital art could have coded information about individual pixels, where tokenized in-game items could have details that allow the game client to figure out which item the player owns and its properties. Traceability. Each NFT contains a history of transactions on the blockchain dating back to when it was created, including every time it changed hands. This implies that each token can be verified as genuine and not a forgery, which is crucial for owners and potential purchasers. Rarity. Non-fungible tokens should be probably rare in order to be appealing to purchasers. This will guarantee that assets stay desirable over time and that supply does not exceed demand. Divisibility. NFTs are indivisible, which means they can't be sold as fractions of a whole. Non-fungible tokens cannot be divided into smaller amounts, much as half of a concert ticket cannot be purchased. Programmability. NFTs are entirely programmable, just like all of the traditional digital assets and tokens developed on smart contract blockchains. Alright, so that was it for the definition of NFT. And now on to the next lecture.